So you don't need like special materials or whatnot. All you need is a pencil and an eraser. I need a new eraser. Look at this thing. This thing looks like crap. But anyways, it can erase. I think the whole point of this video is to show you don't need expensive materials. So I'm gonna use this scrap rubber and this scrap pencil to get this tutorial going. Let's get into it. So first things first, you're gonna want to draw a circle. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can go back and forth if you want. That's the whole point of drawing. It's all about self-expression. It's all not about perfection. So just go back and forth with that circle. So after you have that circle, you need to draw a line in between the face. So if the portrait you're drawing, the person is facing, in front towards you, you need to draw a straight line. If they're facing a little bit to the right, it needs to go a little bit to the right. It needs to curve. So for example, for me, the person is like leaning a little bit to the right, so my line is gonna be a little curvy like that. And then after you do that, you're gonna have to draw the sidelines like this, and then connect all this to the chin like so. So we're gonna have a line for the nose right there, and a line for the mouth, and also a line for the eyes. And if we know one thing about the ears, is that the ears go slightly where the eyes are, so the ears are gonna go there. So now what I like to do is I like to define the face a little bit. So I go around the chin, I go around I just like to go around the chin, around the jawline, and around the head, just making sure I have the perfect head structure basically. After that, I go on ahead and make the line where the mouth is gonna go, and a little line just under there for the below the lips. I then go on and make a little triangle where the nose is gonna go like this. Now for the eyes, I basically draw like little just practice where I want my eyes to be. So just lightly sketch where I want my eyes to be. If I'm not satisfied with the way they are placed, I erase. Instead of just going in and just drawing, I can now practice where I want them to be and where I would like them to be. So if I'm not satisfied with the way I sketch at first, where the eyes are gonna go, I erase. So when I go back and roughly practice where I want those eyes to go. Now that I know where I want those eyes to go, I would then start off with the eyebrows, just define everything. From here I go on and add those midtones, like below the eyes and the right side of the face. I just go and add that to diversify the sketch more and allow the sketch to have that 3D effect or that 3D look a little bit. Obviously, how I draw is not how you should draw or how you should be expected to draw. The methods you use may be different. The methods, the way you like to draw. Just experiment with what you've been given. Just experiment a lot, and in that way, through experimentation, you're gonna find what gradually works for you. And that's the beautiful thing I love about drawing, is that when you give up easily, when you give up early, you will never get to see the final result. So never judge a work by its current progress and whatnot. Only judge when it's finished. Okay? So as I gradually build these layers and build these dark parts and just add more contrast to it, you can see that the drawing just came to life, especially with that shadow I created on the right side of the face. That's beautiful.